Kaigai mean abroad or overseas. The first kanji gai, kai. The kanji kai is from the kanji umi, right? So the kanji umi is mean the sea, and the second kanji gai is mean outside. So if you live in the country that have the sea, so outside the sea is mean across one country to another country. So in a case like this, they say kaigai is mean abroad or overseas. So in here we have the example like kaigai e ryoko shite mitai. Or you say like kaigai e ryoko shite mitai desu, which means I want to try travel abroad. Kaigai is mean overseas or abroad or another country. It's not your country. Ryoko shite mitai. Ryoko is mean travel or tour or journey. So shite mitai is mean want to try to do. So want to travel. The grammar shite mitai or shite mitai is mean try to do something, or you want to challenge something. So you can say shite mitai. For example, you have never gone foreign country before, so you might be choose to be travel. You may want to challenge yourself to go foreign country alone. So in the case, like you can say kaigai e ryoko shite mitai. Kaigai is mean overseas or another country, but you don't specify that the country name. For example, Japan or United States or United Kingdom. So just say kaigai. This means you don't specify the country name. Kaigai e ryoko shite mitai. This means you want to try travel abroad or in overseas or in another country.